steps.
I know.
Miss Lisa.
Nya pare ko natan. Nembag nga malum ko naman nembag nga malum yaw. Apang kami agpasyar, agbirok ti bulong. Ka nagbirok ti bulong nga pagiddaam mi kano. Madama birokan. Tata medyo nalamin. Yung agbibisin kami mga rumar kanya pa nga ron. Adabalong ko nga napuro nga danom si kaawan ay ka siya ka. Amom ti bumakutan agbalong ti kwa napudo nga danom tanong.
O kudyo sa latang.
Tata, madimi amuno din no papanami. Kami agsour ti bulong, agkita ti bulong na niya pag kinamin ti bulong. Tata. Ne datoy jakpenek kan ti akub na. Agururay kalatat ikan nakatolat ta akub na. So anyways,
Gidugit man
I know.
Yaman. Dapat
Yaman
hindi
nga.
kastamon.
Hala
Kami
ka
nagtapok man rin.
Ana ta usarag ko nakpay kuma, usarag pa no mabalin pa.
Katusaran ka nga tatang.
Madigaraw.
Apay.
Awan din insurance nakaparke insurance sa
Ay. Kuko nang usaron.
napanagki.
Tangaro lang.
Lain tayong may kayon takaduan da kami nga mapanagkita ti bulong nga din na tawag kita mi ti bulong ita. Bulong ti kamatis, bulong ti
pareya.
tarong, bulong ti pareya, bulong lasuna,
Basta bubulong.
basta amin bulong, basta bulong. Okay?
Let's go
So,
then.
okay, let's go. May kayon tentag birok ti bulong. Basta bulong. Hello. Hey.
No, quiet, because he'll charge us.
Wait. Is he sleeping?
But very quiet. Don't go too far, because he'll charge at us. And those things stick into your tummy.
What? Why now he comes in here. Used to be in my
He
backyard.
was there.
Yeah, he used to be. He used to be in my
That's
backyard.
why I give him the apples. And then he was saying, everybody's saying it's mating season, so he's tired from mating. There's a whole bunch of deer there.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Hoy, ampingat. Mikat.
He just got his head down. He's tipping his head. Look at that.
Oh. Jim, kita menjadi deer.
Very
Deer.
quiet.
Look at the deer
He's sleeping.
sleeping. Oh.
His head just, he's tired. That's from mating season.